Negril Police Station, what's your emergency?
You alright, and now water commission cut off my light and me can't get forged nigga G's.
Please check to ensure you have enough credit to make this call.
I say youth, me a gallis dog, my gallis thing large and now youth man a international gallis youth. Stop that foolishness dog. I don't know international gallis. You don't know international gallis bad man. Where you have woman? Cause me sure you know say you don't know no gal a foreign bad man. Dog, dog, me a gal a foreign dog. What you say to me dog? Me a gal a foreign dog. What I'm to you dog? What to you? You have girl a foreign here come talk to bad man like me. Me have girl from America, Canada, Europe, England, Guyana, everywhere in the world. Me have girl from Brazil. I want to you. But hold on, enough about me. You have girl, where you have girl? Whole heap of girl dog. You see me have one nice, pretty, clean one dog from America dog. You see me? Yeah, you have girl in America. Alright then bad man. Which state she live in at then, eh? Dog, you know say the state she live in at dog. Hold on. Yeah dog, she live in a Toronto dog. Toronto man, you Toronto there Canada bad man, not America. Ha! You're bored man.